Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip goes through some basic math using book author, kind of a setting. If you were a book author, so these are some of the things you might think about. So if you write a 387-page book and charge the publisher $59,526, you could say you earn how many dollars per page? Well, so you take your 59,526, divide it by your 387 pages. So if you want to know dollars per page, we have dollars on top, pages on bottom. So that comes out to $153.81 per page. As an author of novels, you may spend 6 months in the editing phase. You plan to ask the publisher for $60,000 for the rights to your book. That's about what you want to make in a year. So you have 6 months to get the book written. If the plan is to write a 203-page book, working 4 days per week, you will need to write how many pages per day? Well, let's see, we have 203 pages in 26 weeks. Well, how do I know 26 weeks is 6 months? Well, 1 year is 52 weeks, so I just took half of 52. Okay, so 203 pages divided by 26 weeks would tell me pages per week, but I am willing to work 4 days per week. Units cancel, and the only units left are pages per day. 203 divided by 26 divided by 4. $1.95. The units are pages per day. So around 2 pages a day that you need to write. If you're editing your book and are averaging 6 pages per day, working 5 days per week, you can edit how many pages in 26 weeks? Well, let's write 6 pages per day. And there are 5 days in our work week. So that would be 6 times 5, 30 pages per week. But I'm willing to work for 26 weeks doing this. So that would tell me how many pages. 6 times 5 times 26. 780. So as long as your book is less than that, you should be able to finish in 6 months, 26 weeks. If you are working as an editor to help authors improve their books, and you are averaging 6 pages per day and are working 5-day weeks, it may take you how many weeks to edit a 367-page book? We'll have to do 367 pages. And if I multiply, well, in 1 day, I can do 6 pages. Then that will tell me how many days it will take. And if I say, well, 5 days per week, then that will tell me how many weeks it will take. 367 divided by 6 divided by 5 12.2 weeks. So 3 months, more or less. As an author of novels, you have been averaging 2 pages per day. If you work on it for 5 days per week for 20 weeks, your book will be how many pages long? So 2 pages per day and 5 days per week and 20 weeks. Check my units. Yep, I've got it set up right. It'll end up being pages, and that's what I want the answer to be, is how many pages. So 2 times 5 times 20 is 10 times 20 is 200 pages. So just some basic math problems that have to do with being a book author. If you want to be a writer, you still may have to do a little bit of math.